As a recap, we have so far calculated all the SUM indicators in just one step using the SUM indicators for SDG 15.3.1 option. Then I showed you how to calculate land productivity SUM indicator, land cover change, and soil organic carbon SUM indicator individually. So now let's see how to integrate all these SUM indicators into the SDG indicator 15.3.1. So I'm gonna open the execute locally. So that means that this process is gonna be running in your computer, taking the advantage of your computer processing capacity. So for the exercise, for the example, I calculated the Transurf land productivity dynamics SUM indicator. So, but as you can remember, we have also the FAO CAT and the JRC options, right? But for this exercise, I use the Transurf. So here we have the baseline data set. So I'm gonna click here and I can see that I have Belize or regions subindicators using the Transurf LPD, and this is the baseline period. So I click here on this option, and then automatically Trans.Earth matches all the layers, calculated layers with each field here. So for productivity, we have the trend, performance, and state metrics. So we can see here that this is the baseline trend, this is the baseline productivity performance, and this is the baseline state metric. For land cover, we also can match here baseline land cover degradation and soil organic carbon. We have baseline soil organic carbon degradation. One thing that I haven't mentioned before is that Trans.Earth also have access to gridded population layers. So here we have world pop gridded population count. So here we have the female population and male population, but you also can calculate the total population, which is not available actually. So we have the stratified by female and male. And then this is gonna estimate the population exposed to the gridded land. I've also calculated the first reporting period. So here, what I'm gonna do is carefully match the Belize indicator Transurf progress 1. So this is dataset progress 1. And then similar to the previous example, Transurf automatically matches all the layers, including population as well. And given that we are now calculating the second reporting period, so I'm gonna add yet another one here, and this is gonna be the Belize or region indicator Transurf LPD progress number 2. So we have the baseline, we have the first reporting period, which was from 2015 to 2019, and we have the second reporting period, which goes from 2015 to 2023. And then I can make sure that I'm calculating this over Belize or regions, and then I'm gonna name the task SDG 15.3.1 for baseline progress 1 and progress 2. So making sure to take notes, baseline 2001 actually, because we are using the Transurf to 2015, and then first progress 2015 to 2019, and second progress 2015 to 2023. And then I hit execute locally, and then we're gonna see that Transurf returns these status bar. So this is showing us that SDG 15.3.1 for baseline, progress 1 and progress 2 are being calculated using the computer processing capacity.